property rights can protect the public interest, but first we have to have a very good understanding of what the public interest is. In most legal systems, there are certain common or shared values, fundamental values, might be called human rights. There might be things which we don't like derogating from. So first of all, we've got to construct an idea or a sense of what these fundamental values are going to be. Then we have to find a way of trying to entrench or include these types of values within property systems. This is a very difficult process because property normally is about individually held interests. And so how can an individual, when he's exercising his property rights, also exercise those on behalf of the public? This generally requires us to impose some limitations on a property right holder's scope of authority. And this will have to be done by some form of external agency. Normally this will be the state. So the state itself will have to identify a list of what you might call public interests, or have to structure these and give weight to them. It will then have to be able to impose these upon the property rights holder. This will require some process by which the private rights and then the public interests are weighed against each other. So it requires, I suppose, a properly articulated process, a democratically accountable process, and one which has some basis in law.